figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, this is a first impression slash review on the Sonia Kashuk duo sponges. I got these from my local Target for only $7. They do come in a mini pack, which you will get 3 in for $7 as well. I don't know how much the single one retail for. I believe it's $7, but you might as well get 2 because you're getting more bang for your bucks. So if you want to see how these sponges worked out for me, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I know I'm late. I've been hearing a lot of more good than bad reviews on this sponge. I am late getting them. I really love my Real Techniques, so I kind of stick with the Real Techniques. I have tried the beauty blender, the original beauty blender in the color pink. I used to love those, but I just, you know, got tired of paying $20, so I ended up switching to the Real Techniques, which I stuck with those for a while. But we're going to apply the foundation with the sponge. So I already not prime my face, but I moisturized with the pounds, and then I did prime my face with the Too Faced Hangover. So you get a black marble and a white marble, and I do like the fact that it is a pretty design instead of your basic boring colors, solid colors. But I do like the marble design. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna wet my sponge, and then I'll be back to apply my foundation. Okay guys, so it says use the pointed tip for target concealing and coverage in hard to reach areas, and the flat bottom to buff in products for a smooth, seamless finish. Now, this is what it looks like dry. This is what it looks like wet. So you can see it expanded pretty big. I did notice while wetting this, it seemed a little more firmer than the Real Technique one. But once you wet it, it is more bouncier. So this is what the bottom look like. It is flat. You know how the Real Techniques kind of curve different. Some beauty blenders are different from the bottom. So I'm going to apply my Fit Me foundation in Maybelline and 335 Classic Tan. Okay guys, so I did put a color corrector on before applying my foundation, and I just used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. Also, yeah, I wanted to tell you guys quick details on my eyes. I am wearing the B. Marcel Beauty eyeshadow. It's called the Dream Palette, and that is what I'm wearing on my eyes. So I will be doing a tutorial on this, a makeup tutorial on this palette real soon, so stay tuned. So let's just jump into it. So I'm going to use my mirror. Y'all, okay. I really think I'm liking a sponge. I really wasn't expecting to like this sponge. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was like, nothing can replace my Real Techniques, but just because it's wider at the bottom, it's like easier to apply. Like it's quicker to apply your foundation versus the smaller one. You'll be taking probably forever, but yeah. Oh yes, I see no streaks. It applied it pretty well. So I'm going to put a second coat on, and I'm going to come back. So now I'm going to use the concealer in NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Caramel. I really love this concealer. So I already did one eye. I'm going to apply the rest. And then we're going to use the sponge to conceal. And I'm running low on this concealer, so I really need to get some more. Okay. Again, I'm going to take the pointy. My new favorite sponge, y'all. So it also says that you can conceal, cover. So I have seen people like contour with this. I usually use a brush to contour, but since this is a first impression, I guess I will try to contour with this contour palette in Showman's. And we're going to try to contour. I usually use a brush to contour, so we're going to see how this goes. I think I'm going to use the bronzer. You can use either or to contour, but I think I'm just going to go in with my bronzer. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Wow, it kind of blended out better than I expected. Kind of did better than the brush. What you guys think? Let me know what you think about this sponge. Do you have this sponge? Have you ever tried it? Are you thinking about trying it? Yeah, just let me know below. So I'm going to finish up my makeup off camera, and then I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put the rest of my makeup on. So now I'm going to give you details on this sponge. Is it worth the hype or is it not worth it? So overall, I think it is really worth the hype. I really think this sponge is great. I will be replacing my Real Techniques for the Sonia Kashuk sponge. I think it applied my makeup flawless, no streaks. It was very quicker to apply my foundation due to it being more larger. I do like that it's flat at the bottom, so you can just pat it and get straight to the point instead of, you know, having to go back over areas. I really didn't have to do that. I love this part. It really did, the tip of the sponge, it really did get into those small areas just fine. So it also contoured good, shockingly. I never used a sponge to contour, so that was my first time, and it did pretty well, pretty damn well. So overall, I would give it 2 thumbs up. And like I said, go to Target and get 2 of these because you'll get the pack, the duo pack, because you'll get more bang for your buck. And yeah, you're gonna be seeing this a lot. Basically, you're going to be seeing this a lot in my videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye.